Hello class, we will do chapter number 8, verbs, from your grammar step book. So let's start. So class, we will do chapter number 8, verbs. Okay. So what is verb? A verb expresses an action or a state of being. Okay. So a verb is a word that expresses an action. Okay. For example, I play with my doll. Now what is the action over here? Play. So here you are expressing that you play with your doll. Okay. So class, this is your verb. Now here verb, there are two types of verb. Okay, verbs, action verbs and helping verbs. Now action verbs are very easy, like eat, drink, cook, read, sleep, okay, write, and then swim. So these are all your walk, cycling, these are all your action verb in which you do some action. But what are helping verbs? Helping verbs are am, is, are, was, were, has, have and had. So these are all your helping verb. Okay. So please remember this class, and we have used these helping verb in many sentences. Whenever we write any sentences in the notebook, okay, we use these helping verb to express our actions. Okay. So now class, we will see, we know what are helping verbs, so we will leave this. Now we will learn how to use helping verbs. So what is the first helping verb? It is am. So am is used with I. So class, we know that whenever there is a word I, we always use am with it, or am is always used with I. We cannot say he am sleeping or she am sleeping. We can only say I am sleeping, or I am drinking, or I am reading. Okay, so am is always used with I only. So it is used in the present tense. Okay, whenever any action is happening right now, then we use am. Okay, basically with the present continuous tense, which we are going to learn in the tense chapter later on. Now the second helping verb is your is and are. So is used when there is only one person or one animal. Here Hemant, how many person is there? Hemant is only one person. Okay, so Hemant is cooking food. Now here is used, okay, with the action verb cook. Here you can see the action verb is cook, and what we have added with action verb? ing. Okay, so whenever we use is and are, we will always use action verb plus ing form. Okay, so whenever we use is and are, there will be action verb plus ing also. So Hemant is cooking food. Now Hemant is one person. So with one person or one animal, what we will use? Is. Okay, and is used with action verb, which is cook, and what we have added with the action verb? ing. So Hemant is cooking food, and we use is and are only when the action is happening at present, means the action is happening right now when we are talking about it. At that time this action is happening. Okay. Now the next is are. So it is used with more than one person, okay, or animal. So here I told you is used with how many person? One person. Okay. So in are is used when there are more than one person or more than one animal. Okay, for example, we are reading books. Now we means one person or more than one? It is more than one person. So what I have used with we? Are. So whenever there will be more than one person, we will use helping verb are. Okay, so are is your helping verb. Now what action verb I have used? Read. And what I have added with it? ing. Okay, action verb plus ing. Read is your action verb. You are doing an action, and I have added ing with it. Okay, so we are reading books. So are is used, that means there are more than one person, and this action is also happening right now. Next, Amit and Ajay are singing a song. Now how many person are there? 1 and 2. So there are 2 person. Okay. So there are 2 person. With 2 person, which helping verb we are going to use? We are going to use are. And what is the action verb over here? Action verb is sing. And what I have added with the action verb? ing. ing. So Amit and Ajay are singing a song. So this is your helping verb and this is your action verb. So this means are I have used over here. So are is used with more than 1 person. How many person are here? There are 2 person. That is more than 1. This is plural. Okay, plural noun. So whenever there will be plural noun, we will use are, and the action is happening right now. Okay, it is happening right now in front of you. Okay, so class, now the next helping verb is was and were. So was, it is used with 1 person or animal. Similarly, like is also used with 1 person, 1 animal. But we use was and were when the action happened in the past. When any action happened in the past, we use was and were. Okay, and here also with the action word, okay, with the action verb we use ing. Okay, whenever there will be any action verb, we will use ing. So let's read the example. Ramya was eating strawberries. Okay, so Ramya is how many person? It is only 1 person. So with 1 person we will use was, and what is the action verb? Eat. And what I have used with eat? ing. Eating. Okay, eat plus ing, eating. What she was eating? Strawberries. Now was eating tells us that the action has happened or the action has taken place in the past. Okay, now next, were. It is used with more than 1 person or animal. Similarly, like are. But we use were when the action, okay, when any action has taken place in the past, okay, we use were. Okay, now you can see here there is more than 1 boy. Okay, I have written boys. This is plural noun, not singular noun. This is plural noun. So with plural noun, what I have used? Were. And what is the action verb? Run. This is your helping verb and this is your action verb. And what I have used with action verb? ing. Okay, so here we will write double N, okay, because this is the correct spelling. Okay, so with action verb we will use ing. So the boys were running fast. So class, this sentence tells us that the action took place in the past. Okay, now next, Tina and Sonia were drawing in the book. Okay, now how many person are there? 2. Tina and Sonia. So there are 2 person, means there are more than 1 person. So what we will use? Were. We will not use was, we will use were. Then what is the action verb? Draw. And what I have used with action verb? ing. So it is drawing in the book. Okay class. So were drawing tells us that the action has taken place in the past. Now class, the next helping verb that we are going to learn is has, have and had. Okay, so let's learn first has and have. So has is used with 1 person. So we use has with 1 person or 1 animal. And have is used with more than 1 person or animal. Okay. For example, she has a pet dog. See class, here you can see has is used with how many person? With 1 person only. Okay. And class, also remember has and have is used in present tense. Okay. Has and have tells us that something has taken place in the present. Okay. Now the next is have. They have a beautiful house. Now class, you can see have is used with they. They means there are more than 1 person in the house. In the house there are more than one person, so we have used have with they. With I and you we will always use have. With I and you we cannot use has. Okay, we cannot use has with I and you. So I and you is used with have only. Okay, so you have pretty face. Now you can see have I have used with you because you can be one person or more than one person. Okay, so have is used with you and I. Okay, now class, the next is had. Now had tells us that something has happened in the past. Okay, it tells us that some action has taken place in the past, and it is used with one or more than one person. Means we can use had with one person also or with more than one person also. Okay, it can be used with I also, it can be used with you also. So example, she had fever last week. Last week shows us that the action has taken place in the past, means it has already taken place. So she had, now you can see had is used with one person over here. Okay, next, they had football match last month. Now last month also tells us that the action has taken place in the past, and had is used with more than one person. They means there are more than one person, so we have used had. Had we can use with one person also and with more than one person also. It can be used with I also and it can be used with you also. Whereas have, with have we can use I and you can only be used with have only. Okay, and have is used with more than one person or one animal. Okay, and has is used with only one person. And has and have shows that it talks about something that is taking place in the present, and had tells us that something has taken place in the past. Okay class, so I hope you have understood. Hello class, I hope you have understood what I taught you today. In case of any doubts or any queries, you can mail me. Class, please submit your homework as soon as possible because your exams are starting from the next week. Okay, so take care and prepare well for your exams.